Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So this video is part 2 of Diwali DIY home decoration ideas. All these ideas are Pinterest inspired. I hope you will like it. For this DIY, you will need glue, twine, scissor, colorful paper of your own choice. For making diya, firstly fold it into half. Then cut it. It will be divided into 2 sheets. Then make a second half fold. Cut it. And you will get 4 sheets like this. Then take one by one and start the same procedure as you did it first. Then draw a semicircle and trim it off. For making the flame of the diyas, take a yellow paper and repeat the same procedure as you did it first. Skin, you can see it. Then draw something like this and you will get a shape of a flame. Then start pasting it one above the other. And you will get something like this. For hanging, take the twine and start pasting it like this. I know the sadness that cripples you. It comes in waves and out of the blue. But there are days you feel freedom too. And voila, it's done and it looks really beautiful. For this DIY, take a foam sheet and a CD. Make a shape of a petal, one of a larger size and one of a smaller size. a slit, make a shape something like this. Then cut it. Then with the hot glue gun, paste the upper slit over the lower one, something like this. Then start sticking it on the CD to give it a lotus flower shape. Then start adding the second layer to give it a more fuller look. Then take a glitter foam sheet and cut into circular shape. And voila, it's complete. It is one of my favorite DIY. It looked so beautiful and stunning.
The sadness that cripples you, it comes in waves and out of the blue. But there are days you feel freedom too. Bask in the glorious lightning. Move like the sunlight, darkness can't hold you here.
For this you will need an empty pot, spray paint it of your choice, and then decorate it with some fancy beads or decorative beads. Then place a table, then add any glitter or decorated cloth over it, and then place this pot on over it, tilt it, and then start adding these fake flowers into it. You can also add real flowers if you want to. For this, take colorful paper, then make a first fold like this, flip it and make a second fold, again flip it and make a fold, then repeat this till the end of the sheet. Then make a cut something like this and you will get this, and also cut the lower one. Then draw a shape something like this and start cutting it. You will get such an elegant flower shape like this. Then paste these two together.
You feel freedom too. Bask in the glorious lightning. Move like the sunlight, darkness can't hold you here. Holding my push through the atmosphere. This is your.
Then start pasting their both ends like this.
Move like the sunlight, darkness can't hold you here. Holding my push through the atmosphere.
Shape of a diya, and start pasting it over to give it a Diwali theme. Take a glitter foam sheet and start tracing flower petal shape on it. Then start pasting it one beneath the other so that it looks like a lotus flower. Then to give it a more elegant look, cut it again into the shape of a petal and start pasting it like this. Then again cut it into a circular shape, and for hanging purpose take twine and start pasting it like this.
Over your skin you can see it beat, intoxicating your energy. First time.
And voila, it's done. Please like, share, subscribe. It will mean to me a lot, and follow me on my Instagram for latest updates.